it has like a Middle Eastern smell to it, as if, you know, when you step out of the airport. It's not pollution. So today's video is one of my favorites. I'm here to share my 3 favorite scented candles from Rituals. I actually really adore shopping at Rituals because they never fail me. Their quality of candles, their products is unbelievable. So let's get straight into it. If you're new to my channel, then please subscribe and make sure you hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my videos. Please give my videos a thumbs up. It really does help my channel. Let me know which candles you guys are loving at the moment. So instantly, as soon as I open it out of the box, it smells like perfume. It doesn't even smell like candle. You can't smell the wax at all. Some candles you can smell the wax. The wax scent seems a little bit more stronger than the actual scent of the candle. Okay, so if any of you have Tom Ford or Oud Safan, it smells like that. I could wear this on me. Oh my god, how does it smell? It's so insane. Okay, so it looks purple there, but it's not actually purple. It's a lot more of a lilac colour. And it's a shame they did that because the last black oud that they had was actually black. This has got a purple wax to it. So I'm not sure that has anything to do with the strength of the smell. It's actually quite strong. You can smell it even when it's in the box. So that says a lot. Wow, that's amazing. So that's black oud. Obviously, nothing more to say on that one. Then I got the wild fig. Now wild fig, actually they all have a purple wax to it. That's different from last time because I'm sure all the black collection had black wax. Okay, so the oud actually gets you excited. And this it's more of a soft scent. It's really faint, but there is a scent there. It's like a sweet fruit smell. Very light, but quite deep. So this is wild fig. It's very faint in smell, but it's quite deep, but a light smell. It has like a Middle Eastern smell to it, as if, you know, when you step out of the airport. It's not pollution. I actually wouldn't buy this one because I prefer deep and heavy smells. Not too keen on this one. It's a shame because obviously everyone's doing online shopping now. It's hard to get an idea of a smell with just a description. So no, I wouldn't recommend the wild fig. I'm not too keen on that one. The other one was Precious Amber. And I do like amber smells. Wow, that is divine. Okay, so for me, candles have to smell like perfume. This is a smell that I would actually turn into a perfume and wear. Wow, okay, so you could really smell the amber in there. Okay, the label's a bit bent. I'm a bit disappointed with that, but it's okay. The label's bent. Okay, so little things like that do bother me. I want my sticky label straight. That's bent. I think I can look past it. The smell is actually really nice. So the smell for this one, it's as if when you walk into a hotel lobby and they've got that flowery amber smell coming through the vents. That's what this is. This is actually really nice. I'm so glad I got this. This is actually beautiful. This is called Precious Amber, and again these ones are $29.90, and you have to, when you first light them, let the wick burn for about 2 to 3 hours. You have to make sure that the top layer has melted. What that will do, it will result in an even burn. What I usually do, I get the small candles, and if I really fall in love with them, I get the larger one. So if you really loved a particular candle, you could go and get the interior room spray. That's what I find more effective in the sense of having your room fragranced in the smells that you like, because the candle, although the candle burns, you want that extra kick. Sometimes you could just spritz a bit of that interior spray around the room. It really does bring out the fragrance of the candles a lot more. And if there's any candles that you guys are enjoying at the moment, please do let me know in the comments below. That's it for me today, and hopefully I'll see you again next week. Bye.